Why solar is considered to be the most important source of energy. We ensure you in the next 4 minutes you will see how solar is playing major role in our life. It is the cleanest source of energy available on the planet. Being readily available in the daytime, solar energy is highly efficient energy source. It can go off the grid and improve grid security. It is a rent-free source of energy, with a comparably low setup cost. Energy loss during power transmission is less. Solar energy holds a massive share in generating renewable energy over the globe. And it can be seen over the last decade, with a rapid growth in solar energy production, from 0.11 in 2010 to 46.27 in 2019. Let's have a glimpse on role of Surya's solar products in generating renewable energy. Surya International has integrated solar power to dip or lift irrigation system, helping farmers with no access to canal irrigation. 24/7 access to water strengthens the two-third occupation farming, which is the largest in the nation. Solar lights installed at places like freeways, highways, rural roads and neighborhood streets are providing sustainability, security and overall green image. Surya makes sure at least 10 lakhs households get clean drinking water to feed upon from our water treatment plants installed. SPV power plant established. The whole organization runs on renewable sources and makes less use of the non-renewable ones. Surya's contribution to the green energy. Surya International always aims at sustainable management development and implements desired safeguard measures to maintain a healthy and balanced environment not only at its commercial establishments but also at its neighborhoods. From last 1 decade, Surya has been working consistently alongside esteemed organizations and government bodies, with its project presence in more than 10 states of India. Surya's contribution to the nation, in generating solar-based energy throughout a decade. Surya effectuates its values in the best possible way to contribute to nature and society for the greater good. May it be any project, natural disaster or any kind of epidemic, Surya and its employees always ensure to implement the indispensable for nature and people around it.